Hi guys, the reflection of outside is in my glasses, sorry about that. Afternoon, I'm going to give you a very brief introduction to sleep type breathing. This is the breathing that we use to practice going into a deeper level of relaxation. It is breathing in to the count of 4 and breathing out to the count of 8. So what I want you to do is just sit comfortably. You can sit on the couch, you can sit in the chair, wherever you like, and just close those eyes. Just allow your eyes to gently close and just listen to my voice. And I will slowly count you into this sleep type breathing. So just allow those eyes to gently close. Don't force them shut or hold them shut. Just allow them to gently close. That's right. And feel how comfortable it is to have those eyes just resting softly. You can be aware of everything that's going on around you, but that has nothing to do with this moment in time. So I'd like you to inhale through the nose to the count of 4. And slowly exhale out the mouth to the count of 8. Okay, just do that now. Just allowing those eyes to become a little bit heavier as you focus on the breath. Notice how good it feels to take a deep, slow inhalation. Then exhale to the count of 8. That's right. Just do that a few times and you can listen to my voice while you're focusing on breathing in to the count of 4 and out to the count of 8. This wonderful sleep type breathing allows you to go into a deeper level of relaxation, deeper level of comfort. And as you use this initially, from today, as soon as you feel a sensation in your body, any sensation, it can be a little kick in the ribs, it can be baby moving. You can put your hands on your tummy if you feel that. And as you do your slow breathing exercises, you may notice that your baby is wriggling around a little more. But just now we'll do the sleep breathing in, 2, 3, 4, and out to the count of 8, as fast or as slow as you like. That's right, breathing in, 2, 3, 4, and out through the mouth. Notice when you breathe out through the mouth, it allows all the muscles of the jaw to relax just that little bit further. It's such a good feeling. You may notice that your shoulders are relaxing a little further each time you exhale. Feel how comfortable that is. And now you can slowly come back to the room, refreshed and alert. And you can talk to each other about your sleep breathing and how it makes you feel, what you're focusing on. And then I'll come back in a minute and I'm going to do slow breathing. I'm imagining with meditation practice that you're used to slowly inhaling and exhaling, really focusing on the breath. A lot of people question why breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Some people prefer to do out through the nose as well. The important thing with breathing for labour is getting used to breathing out through the mouth. Because as we exhale, you can focus on the breath. You can't clench your jaw if you are exhaling from your mouth. And having a loose jaw is really, really important in labour. Oh my gosh, my dog's snoring. Just a moment. Sorry, Jess, that's my rescue dog. That's 11. He's beautiful. He's a Portuguese water dog. Right. The jaw, the muscles of the jaw actually correlate to the muscles of the pelvic floor. So if you clench your jaw, your pelvic floor will tighten. Your shoulders will come up and you're not breathing as deeply. Remember, when we do our sleep type breathing, this is just initial practice. When we go into the slow breathing, that's what you'll be doing for every surge. And you'll have many surges throughout your labour, but you look forward to them, and you look forward to them coming closer together, because that means your labour is progressing. But initially, your surges will be around 30 seconds long, and that's a really short moment in time to focus on the breath. Sorry, these glasses are really annoying me with the shine. I'm not going to focus anymore on sleep type breathing, because it's a bit of a no-brainer. It's very easy, and you probably have some kind of familiarity with that breathing. It's the slow breathing I really want you to hone in on and have that as second nature. The second you feel that sensation in your body, you close those eyes and you focus on the breath. Breathing in to 10 and out to 20. If you're feeling more confident to breathe into 20 and out to 20, then that's fine. But just while we're doing these tutorials, I'll get you to focus on 10 and 20. Anyway, I'll leave that with you, and I'll come back to do slow breathing.